Hi guys, welcome to my channel. From the home to the workplace and to the sky above, robots in 2021 are transforming the world we know and helping us understand the worlds we don't. Let's highlight a few of these remarkable machines and how they might transform not only how we interact with ourselves, but also the universe around us. Well, in today's video, we will show you 10 coolest robots of 2021. Without further ado, let's begin. Mars, Perseverance, and Ingenuity. Mars is a planet exclusively populated by robots. The two newest additions to the Martian robot family are NASA's new rover Perseverance and its remarkable payload, the Mars helicopter Ingenuity. Perseverance will have a familiar look to many, given the popularity of earlier Martian rovers like Opportunity, Spirit, and Curiosity, to name a few. Packed with sensors, drills, and collection tools, Perseverance is a technological marvel, but Ingenuity represents something altogether different. Ingenuity will be the first man-made object to attempt flight in the ultra-thin Martian atmosphere. The technology that Ingenuity is testing has the potential to take us places even the greatest of the rovers could never dream of. Molly, the robotic chef. Let's come down from the stars above and look at something a little closer to home. Your kitchen. Meet Molly, the world's first fully robotic kitchen. While Molly is a far cry from the magic of food replicators in Star Trek, it might be the next best thing. With 2 robotic arms, Molly will cook complete meals for you, tell you when ingredients need replacing, suggest dishes based on the ingredients you have available, learn what you like, and even tidy up the kitchen surfaces if it makes a mess. Molly also comes in a lighter version that lacks robotic arms, but offers touchscreen, smart appliances, and a receipt database. For this setup, the price tag is a modest $135,000. For the full setup with robotic arms, because of course that's what everyone wants, you're looking to pay in the range of $340,000. Toyota's Robotic Butler. If a robotic kitchen and a Roomba aren't enough, the brilliant minds at Toyota Research Institute, TRI, have you covered. Inspired by Japan's aging population, engineers at TRI conceived of building a home designed to operate a robotic butler. It can do everything from cleaning surfaces to gently opening a drink for you. The downside of this design is that the robotic butler requires scaffolding on the ceiling or walls of every room the robot will operate in. They are working on developing a robot butler that can function without scaffolding, but it will suffer from the same mobility issues with stairs and obstacles that other home robots have. While building your home with scaffolding for a hanging robot may not be the most aesthetically pleasing design, it does offer hope to our aging population that they can remain living in their own homes for longer, with a robotic butler on 24-hour standby for whatever they might need. Spot by Boston Dynamics. If robotic kitchens and butlers appeal to you, then how about a robotic dog? Boston Dynamics, a company that cannot be ignored when talking about robotics, developed the multi-purpose robot dog Spot. Spot isn't really intended to be a personal pet. With a base price tag of $74,500, Spot is meant for industrial purposes. Spot can get into tight squeezes in mines or construction sites, and areas that might be dangerous for human inspectors. But if you are looking for a pet robot dog, Unitree offers a similar offering to Spot at a greatly reduced size and price. Coming in at a little under $10,000, Unitree Robotics A1 could be your new loyal companion with significantly less doggy mess to clean up. Digit by Ability Robotics. Staying in the vein of robots designed for industrial application, Digit, made by Agility Robotics, is a vaguely human-shaped robot, albeit missing a head. Packed with sensors and 2 arms and 2 legs, Digit is capable of navigating complex environments that other robot laborers would struggle with. Ability to walk, run, or climb stairs, and with a relatively modest price tag of $250,000, Digit is shaping up to be a major contender in the race to automate workplace manual labor. If you are enjoying the video, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos just like this. Atlas by Boston Dynamics. We have yet another entry in this list from the amazing minds at Boston Dynamics. Atlas, the world's first dynamic humanoid robot. The Atlas Disaster Response Robot made its public debut on July 11, 2013 in the DARPA Robotics Challenge, DRC. Back then, Atlas was a bruiser, coming in at 6'2", weighing 330 pounds, and tethered to an external power supply and computer system. Since then, Atlas has evolved into something more like a ballet dancer. Measuring a little less than 5 feet and weighing 187 pounds, Atlas has near-human articulation and is capable of operating without a tether. And we would be remiss not to mention that Atlas also has some pretty sick dance moves. Guardian Exoskeleton. If you've ever dreamed of an Iron Man power suit of your own, Sarcos Robotics should be on your radar. Although you can't shoot laser beams out of your hands or fly on rockets in your feet, Sarcos' Guardian Exoskeleton bestows us mere mortals with the power of superhuman strength. At least until the battery runs out. Able to enhance human strength up to 20 times with a maximum lift of 200 pounds, the Guardian Exoskeleton has applications across dozens of industries. Everything from manufacturing, warehouses, and defense are looking to integrate exoskeletons into their operations. And with a lease price of $100,000 per year, it looks like the science fiction promise of exoskeletons might finally be a reality. Vicarious Medical Robot. According to Allied Market Research, the robotic surgery market is worth approximately $90 billion. It's no surprise that there are many exciting new companies springing up to capitalize on the market size and the untapped potential of integrating new technologies like virtual reality and 5G wireless into health tech. One of those exciting new companies is Bill Gates-backed Vicarious Surgical. Having raised $40 million, Vicarious Surgical's mission is to transport surgeons inside the patient to perform minimally invasive surgery using proprietary human-like surgical robots and virtual reality. British loyal wingman. If we are integrating robots into our kitchens, our bodies, and sending them into space, it makes perfect sense the military is getting in on the action too. The British government recently announced plans to build a prototype loyal wingman-typed unmanned aircraft by 2023, with Spirit Aerosystems winning the $41 million contract to design the new fighter. We've had unmanned drones in military operations for decades now, but this new generation will be faster, smarter, and more autonomous. The loyal wingman is intended to provide the human pilots who fly alongside it with additional protection, intelligence, and enhanced survivability odds during missions. Xenobots. Some listicles like to end on a big and splashy entry, but that's not our style. We're going to end this article on the tiniest robot on our list. But don't let their size fool you. These guys could end up having a bigger impact on our lives than all of the other robots on the list. Meet the Xenobots, living programmable organisms. Xenobots are synthetic organisms made from embryonic stem cells of the African clawed frog, Xenopus laevis, hence the name Xenobots. Depending on how you define a robot, Xenobots are not the C-3PO archetype you are envisioning, but they are undeniably machines. They are created by computers to perform specific functions. Individually, they can complete simple tasks, but the real potential for Xenobots is their ability to cooperate with each other to perform more complex undertakings. Scientists envision Xenobots as a means to deliver medication to specific parts of the body, scrape plaque from arteries, and could even be used at scale for environmental remediation like removing plastics from the ocean. And since Xenobots are organic cells, they are not pollutants or toxins. Once their job is diligently completed and they exhaust their available nutrients, they simply biodegrade into the environment like all living cells. So far, Xenobots have been taught to walk, swim, push pellets, carry payloads, and work together in a swarm to aggregate debris scattered around the surface of a dish into neat piles. We are just at the inception of this incredible technology, but it's safe to say you will be hearing more about these little guys in the years to come. So guys, let me know down in the comment section below, which is the coolest robot out of them. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.